Hello and welcome back to the channel. Flashlight fans and outdoor enthusiasts, are you tired of headlamps that can't keep up? Too fiddly to operate, especially when your hands are cold or wearing gloves? Well, your struggles ends now because I brought you the Fenix HM60R version 2. And it's not just a simple upgrade, it's an absolute powerhouse. It pushes a whopping 1600 lumens and it's packed with features that make every other headlamp feel obsolete. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload. And now, let's see what comes in the box. You get the Fenix HM60R version 2 headlamp, a USB-C charging cable, a spare O-ring, and the manual. The Fenix HM60R version 2 isn't chasing the ultra-low weight crowd. It's built for the ones who actually use their gear hard. This is a headlamp made for performance. Tough aluminum housing, a large heat-dissipating body, and the power system to back up long run time. If you're the kind of person who's out all night working in a harsh condition or relying on your light for hours on end, this is the one you want strapped to your head. It's built to take hits, power through the elements, and keep running. What really set it apart is the versatility in its lighting system. You've got two main white light sources. The one with the large reflector on the side is your spotlight. Punches out 185 yards for long-range visibility, perfect for scanning the trail ahead or spotting landmarks. Right next to it is the diffuse LED, delivers a warm floodlight, ideal for close-up work or setting up a camp without blinding yourself. And then there is the red LED tucked alongside them, ready when you need to preserve your night vision or signaling in case of emergency. And Fenix didn't stop there. The new sliding mode switch across the top changes the game. Literally. Instead of fumbling through modes, you can instantly slide between spotlight, floodlight, or lockout, even with the gloves on. It's fast, deliberate, and confidence-inspiring. Most headlamps make you click and guess, but the HM60R version 2 will let you decide. Let's see what this beast can do at night. We're starting with spotlight, which uses cool white LED around 6,000 to 7,000 Kelvin for maximum throw. Turbo mode is 1600 lumen with a 185 yard throw and 3 hours and 15 minutes of runtime. High mode is 600 lumen with a 103 yard throw and 5 hours of runtime. Medium mode is 130 lumen with 48 yard throw and 25 hours of runtime. Low mode is 30 lumen with 23 yard throw and 74 hours and 30 minutes of runtime. Next, let's slide over to the floodlight mode. This uses neutral white LED around 5000 Kelvin. This is for up close work like setting up your tent or reading a map. High mode is 350 lumen with 36 yard throw and 9 hours of runtime. Medium mode is 70 lumen with 14 yard throw and 25 hours of runtime. And low mode is 5 lumen with 4 yard throw and 292 hours of runtime. And finally, the red light mode. Consistent on high is 20 lumen and 6 yard throw and 29 hours of runtime. Consistent on low is 3 lumens with 3 yard throw and 185 hours of runtime. Flashing red is 3 lumens with 370 hours of runtime. And with the new sliding switch and a large operation button, it's never been easier to operate. To select the mode, the new sliding switch on top is your master control. Slide it to choose between spotlight, the focus beam, floodlight, the wide area lighting, or the lockout position, which is a fantastic feature to prevent accidental activation in your backpack. To power it on and off, once you selected your mode, spotlight or floodlight, use the large side button. Press it and hold for half a second to turn it on and off. And to change the output level, a single click on the side button cycles through the brightness levels within your selected mode. And to access the red light, when the headlamp is off, a quick double click on the side button instantly takes you to the red light mode. Perfect for preserving your night vision. And also worth knowing, that spotlight features smart memory, so it will turn on the last spotlight level you were using. And that's super handy. And as far as for design and durability, Fenix knows how to build gear that lasts. The HM60R version 2 is constructed from a durable A6061-T6 aircraft-graded aluminum alloy. This thing is built to take beating, and it has IP68 rated water and dust proof and 2 meter impact resisting. So rain, mud, or clumsy drops is nothing that it can't handle. And the most important feature in the headlamp is the headband. If it's not comfortable, it's not usable. And Fenix known for comfortable and breathable headband. And this one have an additional top band for extra support and comfort. And what powered this beast is a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery. But what if you're in the wilderness and the battery died? Charging it is a breeze. Just unscrew the port cover and plug in the USB-C cable, and you're good to go. And the cool thing, it gets fully charged in about 2.5 hours. Plus, there is a handy battery indicator built into the side switch, so you always know when it's time to recharge. So what's the difference between the version 2 and the original? The max output is now 1600 lumens, a huge jump from the previous generation's 1300 lumens. And the beam distance, it throws light for an impressive 185 yards versus the 131 yards on the original. They're both offering spotlight, floodlight, and red light mode. But with the version 2, now you have high and low red to make sure you preserve your night vision even better. And size-wise, they're both about the same and still under 3.5 inches long. And weight-wise, the version 2 is only half an ounce heavier. And both of them are IP68 rating, water and dust proof, and impact resisting up to 2 meters. The standout feature, which I absolutely love, is the improved dual switch design. You have a large side button to easily select your brightness level, and the new, innovative sliding top switch to instantly choose your mode, instead of the single button operation on version 1, where you had to press and hold and double click. This one is simple, intuitive, and glove friendly. Now let me tell you what I think about the HM60R version 2. But before we start on the specs, just want to say, holding it in hand, you know instantly that it's built to last. It's built tough, and I really enjoy the design, especially the 4 screws that up front. It even gives you a tougher look. This headlamp delivers on every promise. You get massive 1600 lumens power, and you also have a spotlight for maximum reach up to 185 yard throw, and a floodlight to light up your surrounding for any close-up activities, and a powerful red light to reserve your night vision. And the new sliding mode switch is a game changer for a quick operation, especially when you're wearing gloves. It's made with aircraft-graded aluminum and have IP68 rating and impact resisting up to 2 meters. So it's built like a tank. And a long run time and a fast charging by USB-C, there is nothing to hold you back. If you're ready to upgrade your nighttime adventure, then you definitely need to upgrade your lighting system. And the HM60R version 2 is definitely the one to do it. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? And until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.